Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the enemy's highlight color on Valorant. So you are just going to, I'm just going to go to the practice range first so I can show you guys what I mean. So there are like 4 enemy highlight colors on Valorant. I used to use the purple one, but I feel like the red one is better. There was like an explanation, like a video explanation on like the colors you want to choose for your enemy. So like if you're like very slow, I guess you should use red because it's like the best color for it. So if I select the escape button and selected, wait, let me just select practice first. If I went to the general section, I think it's here. Where is it? There you go. Enemy highlight color under accessibility. There's red. So as you can see, it's red right now. I need to maybe get closer here to the bots. And then if I changed it to purple, it's going to change again. And there's also yellow and another yellow. There's like a difference, but I can't see it because it's not, made for me. But basically I use this one because it makes me like shoot a little bit faster, but just a little bit. But I can definitely see the difference between me using this and like the purple one. And like I can't believe I used like the purple one all this time. And you can also scroll down if you want to like turn off like show corpses or like show blood. You can turn that off, but I have this on because it's very important for the game in my opinion. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!